If you've ever found yourself in a situation where a woman seems to be ignoring you, stick around till the end because we're diving into some powerful strategies that can turn the tables and make women beg for your attention. If a woman's been ignoring you, don't sweat it. Instead of chasing after her, it's time to flip the script. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is giving more attention to women than they do to themselves. I mean, think about it. Why waste time on someone who's not reciprocating? If she's not responding to your messages, it's time to back off a bit. There's no point in pushing for a conversation when she's not showing interest. Remember, your time is precious, and it's time to start valuing yourself. The more you value yourself, the more she'll see your time as something valuable too. When she realizes you're not always at her beck and call, it amps up your allure. Silence and mystery thing. These are like secret weapons. When you talk less and listen more, you give off an enigmatic vibe that's seriously intriguing. Mystery adds a layer of excitement to your persona. People won't box you into categories because they're not quite sure what you're all about. So, how do you apply this in the real world? Well, when you're dating, don't spill all your beans right away. Share enough to pique her curiosity, but keep her guessing too. It's like a dance, balance is key. And remember, don't be too eager. A little distance can go a long way in keeping that mystery alive. Attention versus attraction. It's easy to mistake a woman's need for attention as genuine interest, but they're not the same. You might be a great guy, but if she's not feeling a real connection, she might be keeping you around just to boost her ego. Building attraction is a two-way street. It's all about mutual investment. Spend time, effort, and emotion on each other, and watch that attraction grow. And that's where the step-by-step approach comes in. Start by creating a comfortable atmosphere. Ask questions, engage in light banter, you know the drill. Scarcity equals value. Ever heard of a Lamborghini? Yeah, that's a prime example. It's expensive and rare, making it incredibly desirable. And guess what? The same principle applies to dating. If you're too available, you become like the everyday sedan, easily accessible and not so exciting. When something's a bit hard to get, we humans can't help but want it more. And women? Well, they're no exception. They're drawn to men who aren't falling over themselves to be at their service. So, if she's not biting, don't go chasing after her. Let her come to you. Introduce a bit of physical touch. It's subtle, but it works wonders. And speaking of subtlety, flirt and be playful. Building that sexual tension can be a game changer. And when you've got a good connection going, suggest fun activities you can do together. It's all about solidifying that bond. Imagine you're at a bar, chatting with a girl you've just met. Get her invested in the conversation, ask her about herself and really listen. Show her you value what she has to say, and as things progress, create opportunities for gentle touch and closeness. It's all about building that connection step by step. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want a deeper dive into specific strategies, drop a comment below. Remember, dating is all about balance, mystery, genuine connection, and a dash of playfulness. Until next time, take care.